What is going on, guys? It is Friday, April 10th, 2026. Going to be doing not only today's charting session, but also how I made. Let's see how much I made. Give me 1 second. First person to do the math gets funded. I'm playing. 1257 times 3 plus 13. 17 plus 13, 17 plus 743. How I made $7,148 today. The thumbnail says 5,000, but it's because I was only calculating the Tradeify. That was after I took this trade. So we all took this TikTok live signal. Dude, I actually cannot stop winning, right? So here was the trade that we took in TikTok live. Little low volume trade, but a flip from bearish to bullish order flow, inverting this 30-second towards these equal highs. Beauty, 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 beauty. And then this morning's trade, we literally had an internal SMT, two sweeps, flip from bearish to bullish, right? And then, oh my God, did we get the top tick TP of the century? I think the trade gods just wanted to bless us with this. We had this. I somehow got filled. I'll show you guys. I don't know how. I'm not gonna lie. For all the free members, by the way, I take all of these live in the Discord. So if you want to become a Will Jordan Signal bot and have a 95% win rate, just head over to Premium and join. But anyway, look at this fill. I mean, I'm just as dumbfounded as you guys are. Beauty. Fucking top tick TP. I don't see your Discord live. It's right here, brother. I know, a little kiss on the TP. Right. So, also inverted this 5-minute, completing this market maker buy model at this internal buy side. Data highs were somewhat protected, but oh my God, look at the turtle soup of data highs. Did we have an SMT? Oh no, we did. Oh fuck, we did have an SMT. Wonder if anyone took a setup. Dude, there's no way someone didn't take this. Holy. This is like the 2025 model. Oh, that 5-minute was already tapped into. That's why. On BD, I took that. No way. Okay, damn, that's actually fire. You literally could have taken that to anything. I don't know if it took out this low, though. Oh my God. How many points was that? Quick 100-pointer? Dude, yeah, that's absolutely diabolical. Imagine if you were not on a consistency roll account and you risked 500 to make, oh my God, 6,000 or 3,000. I think Omar might have taken it too. That was really good. All right, let's get an account update. So obviously these Tradeifys are just basically fresh because we lost yesterday, but the TikTok live account is just up dog shit. It's just up dog shit. It's up $11,600. Um, yeah, I mean, just beautiful. Do you only take 30 seconds? Yeah, I have only been taking 30 seconds recently. High time frame is, yeah, I mean, Batha was kind of the creator of like the fact that taking the highest time frame inversion was PB propaganda. But overall, it's like I just low key just wait for the most confirmation. I tell you guys, it's like when are you the most confident in your trade hitting? When it's flying up to your TP. Yeah, Botha created that, right? Yeah, definitely not ICT, right? If you go on the 1 minute data high nine, if you go on the 1 minute, is data high the 929? I don't know. Didn't that shit Loki come out like a minute early? How long have you been trading in the Lotion model? I've been trading in the Lotion model for like 2.5 months. It Loki just it switched in like mid-January. What happened today on CPI? Dude, it like released a minute early. I backtested this model. It's low-key so peak. Dude, it really is. And motherfuckers be hating on this. Let's actually, dude, let's look at the TikTok stream. Because I record the comments too. And I wasn't even looking at the comments. Okay, so no hate comment. Oh, strat of hopes and dreams. Going down. High longs. True gambler. Yeah, he is cooked. Make another story post with this, please. Oh, I will. Yeah. Well, I wouldn't say I will. I already did. Why am I acting like this is real chat? And I just replied to Craig. Four minis on the heavy side. Well, it's because it was 9 points. They don't know what they be talking about. Damn, I went to the Big Daddy Max convention. I didn't even know who he was. Never heard of the bloke, but I got invited. Has Daddy ever made a video about you? What? What type freaky shit are you on, Ivan? M Matt with a V. Do you have any questions about premium? Oh my god, it's employee dropout, one of my biggest haters. What was the PM trade? I was so pissed with the amp. I got the order rejected. Oh, it's so ass. Allow gifts. Nah, gifts are only for premium members. Dude, what is that? So PM trade just normal SPS Sigma model. Yeah. Dude, that's what happens when you take 9 point trades. It goes up and then it goes down. Okay, are you guys good? Do you guys have any final questions? Because I'm about to be out of here. Any free chat members have any questions about premium? Do you teach Plumbus block and premium? Yeah. Why haven't you been active in the r/sounding subreddit? All right, I'm getting off here. Well, I'm at least ending the recording. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link's gonna be down below. Peace.